A feasibility study for the new fixed high-span bridge across the Demerara River has identified several locations on the east bank for the construction. Once one of the locations is selected, the government will have to move to acquire private-owned lands, Minister David Patterson said Wednesday.
I do expect that anybody whose home or property that may be affected would obviously feel aggrieved. We will obviously have consultations with them whenever that final decision is made. But unfortunately, as I said in the opening, doing nothing is not an option. We will obviously try to be as accommodating as possible.
In 2013, the Demerara Harbour Bridge, Inc., in collaboration with the Central Transport Planning Unit of the Ministry of Public Infrastructure, conducted a pre-feasibility study for the new crossing. The initial study had looked at 3 possible locations: Houston, Providence, and Hope Kathrina. It was recommended that a full study be conducted, and that was recently wrapped up. That was done by Livens, CSO of Holland.
The study commenced on January 2017 and is expected to be completed within 6 months. As part of this study, various meetings were held with financial institutions, private sector organizations, government agencies, ministries, and this total in excess of 30 different meetings.
Chief Executive of the bridge company, Mr. Ralston Adams. Team leader of the consultancy group, Mr. Ari Moll, said that the construction of the new bridge will pose some challenges since, among other things, buildings are continually being erected in selected areas.
Another problem is the increasing traffic. The road system is rather limited. You can see it here, that basically the road system consists of a bridge and 2 bank roads, the west and the eastern bank road. And that means if something happens on the bridge, everything is blocked, but the same holds for this road and basically also for these roads. So what happens in this growing urban environment, basically you will need more routes and roads to be sure that you can accommodate the traffic which is going to come.
The existing Demerara Harbour Bridge, which was commissioned on July 2, 1978, is 1,851 meters long. Royden James, HGP Nightly News.